So indexing allows us to get an item at a particular position. Like in the example, in the like we have seen, a list has different elements in it. So when we are using indexing, we can get the item at a particular position. So there are two types of index. As I said, there's a positive index. That means it checks on the starting position of the list. Like if we have 10 elements and if we give some number 5, it will check from the first element to the fifth element. And this is the syntax. We have to give list, and we have to pass an index in that. This is a positive index, and the negative index, which does opposite, it checks on the last position of the list. Like if I give -3, it gives us the last 3 positions in a list. So this is the negative index, and this is the syntax. So let me open my PyCharm IDE and see these examples. So index, positive index. So I'll just equal to list of 3, and I'll print positive index. So it has printed me 1. So list of 3, you have to see 0, 1, 2, 3. But we have deleted this. First, let me to just confirm before everything. I'll just print a list. Print list, so that we'll be sure what we are printing. So now if I run this indexing, it says I have given a 3. Index of 3, it counts from 0, 1, 2, 3, and it has printed me 1. So this is positive index. And for negative index, I'll give list or same as but -3. So let's see what it will print. I'll just copy this again and I'll print negative index. So let me print this now. Negative index prints the last element from the last third element. This is 1, this is last element, this is last second element, and this is last third element. So this is how we can print these are the different types of indexes, positive index and negative index. Whenever we want to get an item at a particular position, these indexes are very helpful. These indexing are very helpful. We often use this indexing in Python to get elements at a particular value. So that is about indexing.